So good morning, we're up at Kevin's this morning and we just got this guy running, basically cleaning pilot jets and getting it started. This is a really fancy cafe. Hey, drop the seat on there so we can just show them what it looks like with the seat on.
Put the seat on.
You all have seen this before, I'm sure.
Yes, we videoed it before. Just some touch-up things. No big deal.
Isn't that lovely? Oh my goodness.
I just gotta find
So that we've just finished that. You can just leave it laying there.
I'll put it on anyway.
And this rolled through the door. Look at this. Isn't this just lovely? 750 Bonneville. And it's just got precious, this gorgeous motorcycle. And interesting, it even has a hydraulic,
Clutch.
look at this. Hydraulic clutch. I don't know who makes this. Interesting. No, just gorgeous. And look what it came with. This is an electric start kit. Let me just show you this, because this is a work of art. This is new out of primary. And look at it. It's a new casting. It's not modified. It's a whole new casting. I swear it is. Isn't that just a jewel? And it's going to be a belt drive. Here's the starter motor assembly, and what you got?
Starter button switch.
Oh, good. All right.
Yeah.
Cool. And they send you all the bits and pieces, and this is wires. Where's that clutch? Oh, here it is. This guy. It's a belt drive. This thing is about 3 pounds. It's so light. It's incredible. And this is a special drill with a bracket that you use to make a hole through the existing primary cover to mount the starter motor through. Bendix gear starter motor. And I don't know what else is in here. This is
Lots of goodies.
This is the front pulley. And gee willikers, guys, all kinds of neat stuff. This is going to be just an adventure. Oh, new shifter shot. Wow. This is going to be fun.
Yeah, and actually, that cutter is not for it's for the case itself.
Yeah, for the case itself.
Not for the cover. Yeah,
Not for the
that
cover,
cover. They've got the new beautiful one. Yep.
So we're actually going to be drilling
Yep. Into the case.
into
Yep.
the case, the primary back,
Yep.
to mount that.
Oh.
It's going to be an adventure. We'll be starting on this in the next 2 or 3 days. Lovely bike.
It really is.
It really is. Okay, I'll post this just to let people know what we're going to be doing for the next 3 days. Got a couple of really nice bikes in here.